Sharaban Doshi, welcome to Dubai and to Z Connect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, you both are often known as the musical brothers. What does this mean to you both?
Musical brothers. Music is in our blood. Our father was a known musician and a very famous qawwal. Our grandfather, Ustad Yusuf Ali Khan, Yaqub Ali Khan, was a maestro of music. My father, Ustad Akram Sabri Saab, was also a maestro of music. It feels great that when people connect your name with your legacy, with your family's legacy, so it's a great feeling.
And what about you?
Yeah, I mean, we have started our musical career in our family only, as you said. घर में म्यूजिक का माहौल था. Father was singer, grandfather was singer. So this is our fifth generation as a musicians. So we never decided to become partner, but that happens. So now people call us musical brothers because we've been working together for 15 years. So it's a great to get such title.
So, out of all your Bollywood hits, which one changed everything for you?
Of course, the very first song which I started a career, 2008, from the film Raz, The Mystery Continues, Raz 2, and the song was Mahi, and it changes everything overnight, I can say, because when the song releases, after some days or some nights, we felt that we arrived, and it was the moment, that time when the song was out and everywhere the song was playing, and the Bollywood got to know more about our music, and as a composer we got established with this song. As a singer, I become established playback singer. I had done we both done together many songs after this Raz, and many films we signed. So that was the first song, and the very first song, and the career changer song.
Right. So, because you both come from a musical family, I'm sure there is an advice or just a guidance that you carry with you till date. What is that?
See, the music, once you get hit by the bug of music, I would say, so it never goes. वो धीरे धीरे आपके एज के साथ, आपकी उम्र के साथ और बढ़ता जाता है. It's unfortunately or fortunately, I would say, कि ये प्रोफेशन तो है ही हमारा, बट फर्स्टली इट्स ए पैशन. तो पैशन जब आपका प्रोफेशन होता है, तो उसको करने का मज़ा ही अलग होता है. तो एडवाइस तो क्या ही बोलूँगा, जस्ट इन्जॉय. जितने भी म्यूजिशियंस हैं, देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, तो ये इन्जॉय करने वाला काम है. इट्स नॉट अ 9 to 5 जॉब, या जिसमें आपको प्रेशर होते हैं, पर अलग किस्म के होते हैं. But the pressure which comes with music, it's also fun.
Tell me this, when you make music, what comes first, the melody or the mood?
Well, obviously mood.
Essentially the
Mood.
Your music has a unique style. Tell me, how do you keep it fresh and true to your style?
We have this Sufi touch in every song which we make. हमेशा हमारे गानों में कहीं ना कहीं वो सूफीज़म दिखता है, बिकॉज जो हमारे गुरु थे उस्ताद अकरम साबरी साहब, और उनके भी गुरु मेरे दादाजी उस्ताद यूसुफ खान साहब, तो दे वर ऑथेंटिक सूफ़ी सिंगर्स, क्लासिकल सिंगर्स, सूफ़ी सिंगर्स. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं मैं बोलूँगा, जैसे किसी के जीन्स में स्ट्रॉन्ग फिजिक आता है, किसी के जीन्स में स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेन आता है, अच्छे बाल आते हैं, अच्छी आँखें, तो इट्स लाइक दैट. सो दैट इज़ इन आवर जीन्स, कि वो हमारे गानों में कहीं ना कहीं वो एक सूफीज़म का जो एक एसेंस है वो हमेशा रहता है. और वो पर्सनली खुद भी अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं लोग उससे बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्ट करते हैं. और जिस तरह से अभी पिछले 5-7 सालों में सूफ़ी म्यूज़िक ने पीक पकड़ा है, एंड इट्स गोना बी देयर फॉर अ वाइल. आई वुड से 5-10 साल और अभी ये म्यूज़िक और परवान चढ़ेगा.
So, Indian music is mixing with so many global sounds now. How do you see this change?
It's good. It's very good.
It's a good change. I really appreciate those people who's creating, who's making such kind of music, who's doing great collaborations, great fusions. So every music and every aura and every time changing things.
It's expanding the music. जैसे अभी for an example, साद He's a Emirati singer, Saad Lamjarat. Now people knew Saad in globally, but after collaborating with Indian musicians, people started knowing him in India, which is a very big market. 150 million people stay there. So 2-3 songs he has done in Bollywood. So now everyone started knowing
So
and
good for musicians,
recognizing
good for
it's very good.
singers, good for everyone.
Okay, between the two of you, be honest, who's the bigger perfectionist in the studio?
I think he's more of into perfection, and I'm more of into the vibe and I go with the flow.
You, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have like a pattern to work together, like you divide tasks or you just go with the flow? How do you work together?
We divide sometime. We go with the flow sometime. It depends that what kind of a work we are doing. If we are making music, so for the same situation we try to crack 2 songs. One he will made by his creativity and his perfection. One song I'll made by my my the point of view of the song towards the song. So both have different point of views. Both have different people music. So we do that.
Okay, this is an interesting one. If not music, what would you be doing today, both of you?
ऑनेस्टली मुझे तो इतना ज़्यादा कुछ आइडिया है नहीं. कभी सोचता हूँ कि म्यूजिशियन नहीं होता तो क्या होता, पता नहीं क्या होता.
शायद अगर जवाब ही देना है तो आई वुड बी इन सर्विंग कंट्री, लाइक ऐसा कुछ कर रहा होता. या
Okay, this is one thing I love doing with siblings. So describe each other in just 3 words.
Let him start first. He's an elder, so
caring, stubborn, aggressive.
I mean, sometimes caring, sometimes very annoying, sometimes loving. But ये जो when your brothers when you become partner with your brother, so it's sometimes it is very difficult to understand and make each other understand the viewpoint and to convince your to be vocal about few things.
Okay, now tell us what is next for Sharib and Toshi. Is there anything new coming up? Any surprises coming our way?
There is a dream project which we are coming up with. It is called Ruhaniyat by Sharib and Toshi. तो अभी तक हम लोगों ने बॉलीवुड में जितना भी काम किया है, दिस इज द रियल शारिब एंड तोशी, द रियल ऑथेंटिक सूफी शारिब एंड तोशी. सो दिस इट्स एन होल IP of 9 songs जिस कॉल्ड रूहानियत. बहुत प्यारे प्यारे गाने हैं उसके अंदर, सारे सूफी गाने हैं.
We collaborated with 9 different singers also in this IP, like Mika Singh, like Nakash Aziz, like Rahul Vaidya, like Anis Sabri, like Harshdeep Kaur, Khan Saab, many artists. So it's a very, very, very big project, and we are very excited about this project, and just about to release now.
And now, of course, we're not letting you go without you singing at least 2 lines for our ZTV audience.
कभी जो बादल बरसे मैं देखूं तुझे आंखें भर के, तू लगे मुझे पहली बारिश की दुआ. तेरे पहलू में रह लूं मैं खुद को पागल, कह लूं तू गम दे या खुशियाँ सह लूं साथिया. ओ ओ ओ
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Sharib and Toshi. We love talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.